Let's solve this using traditional method. 8 divided by 2 into 2 plus 2, 4 square minus 4. This becomes 8 divided by 2 to 16 minus 4. We have 8 divided by 32 minus 4. 8 divided by 32 becomes 1 by 4 minus 4, which gives minus 15 by 4, which is incorrect. Let's see correct usage of BODMAS method. I always write BODMAS method like this so that you know division and multiplication have same priority and they solve from left to right. Similarly, addition and subtraction are of same priority and solve from left to right. Let's solve for bracket first. This becomes 8 divided by 2. 2 plus 2 becomes 4 square minus 4. Next we solve for order or exponential. That means 8 divided by 2 and this 4 square 16 minus 4. Whenever a number is given and on its right side a number in bracket is given, that means it is multiplication. So you can also write this as 8 divided by 2 into 16 minus 4. Now we have both division and multiplication. So solve it from left to right. 8 divided by 2 becomes 4 into 16 minus 4. Next solve for multiplication. This becomes 64 minus 4. Now we get our correct answer as 60.